Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. I know the big rage right now is no dig. And if you got that kind of soil, good for you. Boy, I've got hard clay and this has had gardening in it for 40 years. And you go down about 3 inches and you still got rock solid, unbelievable. Trying to dig this stuff up. Plus, whatever these things are. You have to dig out all of them you can. They're built to just, you see that? Look how many plants you get out of one little knot. Alright, here's the next little area. Got the compost in it. Turn my little tiller on. Alright, couple minutes. Wow, what a difference, huh? There's some nice looking beds now. Alright, now in this bed, I'm going to put probably some cauliflower. I've done cabbage down lower. I've done some garlic by choice. I'm probably going to put cauliflower in here. So I'll be back when we get ready to plant that. Alright, got this bed all ready. Going to be putting in some snowball and snow crown. Nice plants. And fill up the extra space with, there's some more snow crown and maybe a stonehead cabbage if there's any room. We'll see how it goes. So, one of the things I don't like about wide beds is I gotta stand in it in order to plant something. Really don't like that, but it's the way it goes. Do these pretty close together. One reason is I got a small garden. The other reason is they make about a softball size head pretty quickly, so it's not a sit here for months and months and months with this huge plant. These are the kind you grow here when you got a short season for them. And you need them to make cauliflower as quick as possible, because you don't have all those months to make a cauliflower. Okay. Then if this spacing works, I got room for a couple of cabbages. Alright, so there those are. And this is my PVC frame. Cover these guys. Okay, so we're gonna hammer these in. And we'll cover them in tulle and get them watered in, and there's some cauliflower and a couple of cabbages. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm going to get this video closed out before the next door wannabe music people get going too loudly with their drums and guitars. And I'm still hoping after months and months that they'll actually learn a couple of chords. Thank you for watching.